Hey, good morning, guys. How's it going? This is Mike over at JMB Insurance and Taxes. Hey, we're going to use a friend's family member's house to discuss some home insurance basics. Now, what's going to make this house of interest to you guys? This house is located in the Brazoria, Galveston County area, which are coastal areas that a lot of us live in. So we're going to try to talk about some risks during this home that would be of relevance to us, if you still live in this area. One of the biggest things is sometimes it can be very difficult to get windstorm insurance in this area, and that's going to be insurance going to kind of cover you if something comes into the Gulf, like a hurricane or a tropical depression, right? Flood insurance in these areas, a lot of times, are not always necessary, not always mandatory. But we've learned from Hurricane Harvey that flood zones can not always be accurate description of areas that might flood. So we're going to take a couple of pictures without being invasive of this family's privacy of some areas that I think they should be concerned. All right. The first thing we're going to walk to the back. We're going to look at the pool. We'll talk about the pool area. And give me 1 second to get around there. Okay. Okay. Now we're in the pool area, and this is a beautiful pool area. But this is very important. If you add a pool to your homeowners insurance and to your home after you purchase it, it's very important to let your insurer know that you added a pool, because that's additional type of risk. You might need to increase your liability coverages, because what can happen to people in pools? People can drown in pools, and if it happens on your property, you're gonna be liable for it. And you have to be very careful with the wording of the policy of the wording of your policy. Because if you exclude a pool or a hot tub for whatever reason, if somebody was to get hurt, or worse yet, drown, you wouldn't be covered, and that's important. Okay, so make sure that if you have a pool on your property, and I know you want to save money, everybody wants to save money on home insurance, but on insurance in general. But we tell people all the time, you know what? Hey, saving money. You're not saving money if you're excluding something that needs to be covered, and then you turn around and have a claim. So I'm gonna go to another area in this house without being invasive. I think there'll be of interest as well. And this is something that can save you money in your insurance. This is a motion detector for a home security system. And what's great about that is that you normally get a discount for smoke alarms, for fire detectors, for sprinkler systems, for home security. Because at the end of the day, that cuts down risk of theft or fire, which are things that are normally covered by your homeowners. So if you don't have a home security system, if you don't have a sprinkler system installed, or if you do and haven't told your insurer, make sure when you're running your quotes that your insurer knows you have these systems in place to save you some extra cash. All right, this is a garage. And here's the good thing about the garage, right? Is that there's multiple cars, right? So multiple vehicles means that you can add, that can be additional discount for multiple lines of insurance. So you would take your homeowners insurance. Hopefully, at the same agency you write your homeowners to, you write your auto as well, and you get additional discounts. You save money both ways. Now we talk about the multi-car discount. This is going to be kind of important. We have classic vehicles here, and these classic vehicles might need to be insured by a surplus lines or a line that's outside the agency. Because here's the deal: these vehicles are covered within the limits of the property damage of the home. So if something's happened to these vehicles inside this garage, they will be covered inside the garage. Once they get on the road, they might need additional type of policy, a classic car policy. And it has to be written differently, and all carriers don't carry those policies. So check with your insurance provider and let your insurance provider know that you have these types of vehicles,